It's Party in the USA week at my house. Here's what's happening next on the list. All of this, for 9 years, has slowly been flooding, draining, gets no sun because of the trees. So this is getting completely ripped out so that new draining could be put in here and run all the way to the backyard. And then this is going to get cross-hatched, pretty stones with astroturf, actually, fake grass to make it look nice and clean. The boxwoods are staying, and then these are going to be underplantings, and that's what's happening next. I need my irrigation breaker to stop tripping. I need whoever is here to stop turning off the irrigation to kill the plants. Look, about ready for people to get out of my house. No, I'm not about ready. I'm 100% ready. All right. Here's an update on what's happening out here. I'm looking awesome. Wow, I love it. This will be obviously everywhere. And then we're doing fake grass, like fake astroturf in between. And then real grass, mondo here and plantings here. You guys like this? That's really pretty. It's limestone. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Massive, massive improvement. For the low, low price of... Oh well. Can't take it with you, right? Never, ever, ever end. Oh my God.
Hey.
Hey, how are you? Looking awesome out here.
Hey, how's it going?
Looks so good. Busy day around the house today. Election day is tomorrow, so the kids are off from school. And house stuff is getting done. Life stuff is not getting done. But we had to. All of this was flooded. That flooded. So we had to dig down and do a French drain. So the French drain will keep it clean. And then this is beautiful limestone that's placed meticulously. And so it's going to look really, really pretty. And it goes all the way out to the gate. So they did a really nice job. And then all of that will be under plantings. And then in this area and this will be mondo grass. So mondo will be there. So the nice part is I won't have to keep it up. We're going to do greenery around the sides to add actual real life plants that are drought tolerant and can handle it. So the bummer part about astroturf or synthetic turf is to do the crosshatch like I want, you have to still buy it in the huge roll that it comes in. So there's a lot of waste. That's the downside. Plus I have a large space, so you have to buy a lot. But let me show you what it's looking like. See, it's rolled out. And then once it's rolled out, they'll cut in between that to place it clean in the middle. This stuff comes out, unfortunately. It's healthy, but it just kind of needs a little bit of a design overall. Oh, they moved my hydrangea. No idea they did that. Did they? No, they didn't move my hydrangea.